Hello my dear students, welcome to your virtual examination hall. Here is your revision test of biology. Your time allotted is 1 hour and maximum marks for this test are 50. So you have your part 1, that is fill in the blanks, and there are 10 blanks. First one is blood is a kind of dash connective tissue. Second, heart muscles are called dash muscles. Third, parenchyma is dash permanent tissue. Fourth, in sclerenchyma, cell wall is thick due to presence of a chemical substance dash. 5. Osteoblasts eventually get trapped within matrix and becomes dash. Number 6. Natural rubber is an example of dash allergen. Number 7. Pet dander is a common dash allergen. Hay fever is dash allergy. Cartilage is made up of dash. And number 10 is stem cells and companion cells are found in dash. So these are your 10 blanks of part A. Now your part B, it is name the following, and there are 8 parts in this question. First one, another name for cambium. Second, a carbohydrate deposited within cells of parenchyma. Third, another name for connective tissue. Fourth, name the protein fibers that form areolar tissue. 5. Blood without RBC is called dash. What? You have to write that. A sudden severe reaction to an allergen is itchy, red, swollen spots on skin are called poison of animal origin. So you have to name all these 8 parts. Then part C is differentiate between, and you have to write 2 points of differentiation. So first is tendon and ligament. Second, xylem and phloem. Third, blood and lymph. Fourth, seasonal and perennial allergies. So you have to write 2 points each. So 2 points for tendon, 2 for ligament. And if you write 1 point each, you will get only 1 mark. Then your question number part D. It has 4 parts. You have to write answers in detail. First question is define allergy. Name different types of allergies. You have to write names only with 2 examples each. Second, list various tests for allergy. You have to name the test and how these are performed. So details of that. Third, name the kinds of cells that make simple permanent tissue. Explain each. Fourth, name various kinds of animal tissue with 1 example each. So this is your part D. Part E, structural question. There are 2 structures given in this question. First is this structure. There are 3 diagrams A, B and C. So you have to go through these diagrams carefully. Just go through these diagrams carefully and answer the questions. The question 1 is name A, B, C. Second, where are muscles A, B, C found? C. What is another name for muscles A and B? And D part is which muscles work throughout life. So I show you the diagram again. Here it is the diagram for question number 1, part E. Now part E, question 2, the diagram is here. You may draw the diagram and you see the parts. And the questions are: A. Name parts A, B, C, D. Which tissue is composed by this structure? What is the role of the tissue? So see the diagram again. So this is your diagram 1 and diagram 2. So that is all, my dear students. All the best. Thank you.